Okay, so I'm going to show north again. And this is section number 2. And we're starting our walk in section number 2 from the very top of Marley Vale Hill. Yes, remember, this is Marley Vale. Okay, and this is East Point. Okay, so we're actually going to walk this way down Marley Vale Hill. We're going down to the bottom of the Marley Vale Hill, but we're taking in these areas. This area here is called Hillview, but it wasn't always called that. We knew it as Nancy Grancy Hole, and it was named so after, you see this little green patch here? That is called Nancy Grancy Hole. What you'd find when you go down under those bushes is you come up to the face of a small cliff, and at the bottom of that rock you will see a spring, and they call that spring Nancy Grancy Hole. I have no idea where they got that name from, but at the very top of this Hillview Road, it leads right to where there used to be an old factory that manufactured the clay type jugs, or monkeys and things like that, as we call them. And that is found right here at the top of the hill. Then this bay down here is Baker's Bay. Yeah, that's where we had all of our fun, and we learned to snorkel and to dive sea egg and spearfish and all that kind of stuff. So you go from the top of Marley Vale Hill down here, and we're taking into account all the nicknames in Hillview and Marley Vale, and right down just to the bottom of the hill. The bottom of the hill has a spring that goes through these bushes and follows this green course there, and it is called Tall Man's Gully, that little gully there that has manchineal trees. It's called Tall Man's Gully. Okay, I think that's where we will stop.